Hi, to set up LED lamp notifications on your Xiaomi 13, you need to go in the Play Store first and here answer NotifyBuddy, just like this. And this is how this app looks. So we will need to install it. Let's just wait till it's downloading and now we can immediately open it. Here you can see this greeting and now we will need to grant permissions. So let's go in the first one and here tap allow, then second, and now we need to allow to display over other apps. For that, just find this NotifyBuddy app and tap on the switcher to enable, and now we can simply go back. Now let's enable the first permission. Also find your app from the list, here enable it. And you got this pop-up warning that read and control notifications is a highly sensitive permission. If you grant this permission, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. So, if you're aware of these risks and just ready to risk it all, you can just put a check mark here and tap the OK button to grant this permission as well. And the last one is notification permission, so let's also allow it. And now we need to select apps we wanna get notifications for. Let's tap the check mark and just take a look at this bottom part of the display. Here you'll find these three sections: all apps, active, and settings. Firstly, in this all apps, we can choose an app from which we wanna enable LED lamp notification. And for example, let it be Messages app. Let me just find it in this list and here it is. I'm gonna tap on it to enable. And now we should see it in this active tab. Yeah, here it is. Now you can tap it, so just tap not on the switcher but on the section itself like that. And here enable LED, and after that go in the color picker and select a color. For example, let's choose this pink one. I want to select light pink and tap the button to select. Also, we can go in this LED shape, but be aware that many features here are non-free. So let's leave the circle. Now in the settings, you can customize this type of notifications. Let's just keep the advertising, and here you can choose LED animation time, blink interval, stop timer. You can here select shapes as well and enable or disable those switchers like that, for example downtime. And here we can just set this minimum battery limit, so LED will not show up if battery percentage less than 20%, for example. Let's set like that's great. And now let's return back in this app. Here in the settings tab you can see this test button, so you can just check how it will look for you. Just tap test. And now you should see this dot in the upper left corner, meaning we did everything correctly. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.